What's up guys, welcome back to my channel The Global Tongue, and I'm your friend Sanjit Kumar Vishwakarma. I hope you remember me by now, and this is my channel The Global Tongue, and in this channel I talk about communication. So today I'm here again with my new video, and the topic of my today's video is present continuous tense. In fact, this video will be the continuation of my previous video. In my previous video I talked about present continuous tense and the scenarios where we use it and how do we frame it. So today we'll learn the questioning technique in present continuous tense. So before we go further, I would like to remind you about WH, questions. If you remember that I had uploaded one video about WH, how do we use WH and what all are WH questions. So first of all, I would like to educate you about WH questions. So WH questions are those questions which will start from what, why, where, when. So we would need to use these, today. And I would also like to remind you about our friends in English. So we have I, we have he, she, it, this, that, we have these, those, all right, and we have their friends as well. Am, do, have, are, do, have, is, has, and does. All right. So the formula for asking question is, first of all we need WH, then we need is, am, are, then subject, then first form of verb, then ing and object. All right. So we need WH plus is, am, are plus subject plus first form of verb plus ing plus object. So what are you doing now? So what will be WH, are will be after that, do will be first form, ing and then object. What is he doing now? He is, let's say, cooking. And what am I doing now? I am making videos. And where is he going now? He is going to the classes. All right. This is how we use present continuous tense in terms of asking questions. And this would be used in any scenario, which is happening at this moment. So I could also ask you, what is happening in America now? So Corona is going on in America. And what is your mom doing? So your mom could be working or could be cooking. So these are all scenarios where we use present continuous tense. All right. So guys, I hope you may have liked my video. If you have liked my video, kindly share, subscribe and give me a thumbs up. And see you in the next video guys. Bye bye.